Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync two Bluetooth speakers. First, ensure both speakers are powered on and fully charged for an uninterrupted experience. We will explore common methods, including manufacturer-specific apps and universal true wireless stereo pairing. Understanding your speaker's capabilities is key to achieving a rich, synchronized audio setup. Let's get started with the first step. Many modern Bluetooth speakers come with proprietary apps or built-in features designed for multi-speaker synchronization. Download the official app for your speaker model and look for options such as party mode or stereo pair. These features simplify the process, often guiding you through a few simple taps to connect your two speakers for a unified sound experience. For speakers supporting true wireless stereo, or TWS, you can often pair them directly without an app. Power on both speakers and put them into pairing mode at the same time. They should automatically detect each other within a few seconds. One speaker will then become the primary unit, connecting to your phone or device, while the other mirrors its audio. To ensure a stable connection, keep your two speakers within 10 meters, or about 33 feet, of each other. Minimize interference by disconnecting other active Bluetooth devices nearby. If you encounter issues, try resetting both speakers to their factory settings and restarting the pairing process. These simple steps can often resolve common synchronization challenges, ensuring your music plays perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.